I think any Jew who says he doesn't have anxieties about being Jewish would not be telling the truth. I think it's inbred in you if you grow up with it. The amount of anti-Semitism that exists in the world today is unbelievable. Truly, it's covert in the United States. You don't see the nasty things that you'll see in France, in parts of France today, or Sweden has become terrible. Norway doesn't even have any Jews anymore. Uh, there's always the feeling of insecurity. And no matter how secure you are, you can have millions. And if you're Jewish, I think it's it's a it's passed on in a genetic structure. You have to have certain sense of insecurity and concern.